In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok sound your alarm on iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your TikTok application and simply download the video you want to make into your alarm on iPhone. So press and hold on the video and simply tap on Save Video. So just wait for it to be saved to your phone. Now what you want to do is go to your App Store and go download this Ringtone Maker app. So make sure that this is the app that you're going to download and simply open the app. So now from here, just simply tap on Make Ringtone. Now tap Video Library and select the TikTok video. Tap on Done. And as you can see, it's already imported right here. So from here, simply tap on Make Ringtone and simply tap on Set Ringtone. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.